Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURAKHASA binti MOHIDIN from class Busan. So today I will be presenting about inertia. Einstein once said, "Nothing happened until something moved." Today I will be explaining about the meaning and the concept of inertia, relation of inertia and mass, and its example in daily life. What is meant by inertia? So basically, inertia is a tendency of an object to remain at rest, or if moving, to continue its motion at straight line at uniform velocity. Who is this? Let's find out together. Actually, the law of inertia was introduced by Galileo Galilei, and the law of inertia, also known as the first law of Newton, law of motion. As you can see, Galileo Galilei is the first one that formulated the law of inertia. The concept of inertia is explained in Newton's first law of motion, that stated an object will remain at rest or continue its motion at uniform velocity unless acted upon an external forces. What is the connection between inertia and mass? As stated, we can see that the larger the mass, the larger the inertia. Thus, we can conclude that an inertia depends upon its mass. Next, this is an inertial balance. Next, inertial balance is used to measure mass when there's no gravity. Especially for the astronaut in the space, they will use inertial balance to measure their mass.
Every once a month, we measure our weight. How do you measure your weight in space since we don't weigh much here, right? Well, you can actually still measure your mass by measuring your momentum. You do that by going on a swing and measuring the frequency of your swing. Check this out. Now look at this. This was how fast this was swinging when I was on it. If I start it without me on it, it's going to be much tighter. Look at that. It goes faster. So by measuring the frequency of oscillation, you know how heavy the object is. And that's how we measure our mass in space, despite the absence of the effect of gravity.
Moving on, there are many examples of inertia in daily life. Firstly, passengers are thrown backwards when a bus at rest suddenly starts moving. Next, a pile of carom coins remains intact when the lowest coin is struck quickly. Electric fan continue to move for a while after electricity is turned off. When you stir a coffee or any drinks and then stop, the swirling motion will continue due to inertia. Satellite in the space continue its motion even though there's no fuel or engine that to move it. Hence, we have reached the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.